Hello and welcome to Eurowas. Today we're doing a little video snippet on some air conditioning repairs. With summer on the way, obviously you want to make sure the aircon is nice and crispy cold for when you get out of the heat. This is actually our little Volkswagen Polo loan car. We've been aware of this repair needing to be done for a while now. However, the size of this repair is pretty much a day's job. So we finally got round to doing it. We've just been so busy. Morgan has had to pull out the dashboard out of the vehicle. You can see to get to the actual evap canister itself, and the evap has got a hole in it, and I'll show you that in a minute. There's some more bits and pieces there lying in the back of the car, all over there. Morgan's obviously still busy on the vehicle, having lots of fun. Oh, where's he gone? There he is. Hey Morgs, how you going?
Good, living the dream.
Yeah. Tell us what you're doing.
Basically, I've replaced the evap now. Now I'm putting the whole box aircon unit back in, and then once that's all in, then everything goes back like a jigsaw puzzle.
You hope?
Yeah.
Yeah, a few spare bolts along the way. We hope not, hey? Anyways, this is what the evap canister looks like. It's a radiator. All that green that you see over there is the dye that we put in so that we can determine where the leak is. Basically, the way that this thing works is the gas comes into those two ports, in one, out the other, through a TX valve. A TX valve operates like a deodorant can, little atomizer. When you spray deodorant under your arm, what happens? She gets cold. Well, that's exactly what happens here, in sort of layman basic terms, of course, and allows this little radiator to get cold. Air blows through it and then through your dasher's vents and then cools you down. So yeah, hopefully all of this here goes back together properly, but we'll keep you posted on it. Thank you.